watching my king too. Welcome back to the video frame. Welcome here if you are new. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. We do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, DIY content over here, so if you like that, definitely subscribe. So you might have noticed that I'm in a different scenery and I'm in my living room. We finally got some living room art in here. We got some accent pillows and everything, so you know the house is coming together, alhamdulillah. But I decided to record here just because I felt like it. Okay, so I just turned my AC off because I figured that it would be kind of loud. But y'all, it's getting hot. So the June weather is finally peeking through because it's getting hot outside. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna be showing a quick no makeup look. Y'all know I love those. That's like kind of like my signature thing. A less is more kind of vibe. I love to wear like just eyebrows, put on some lashes, some lip gloss, and call it a day. But I know that some people like to, you know, put on a little bit more just to get a little more coverage. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I am not gonna be wearing foundation today, but I will be wearing concealer and powder. So if you are into that, definitely stay tuned. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is my Range Beauty True Bronze Primer. And this is what she looks like. I really like this primer because it gives you a nice bronzing effect, but it's not too heavy or cakey or anything like that. It definitely helps your product stick on a lot better too. And I feel like it's definitely a hydrating primer. Like look at my face. It looks nice and glowy. So in the summertime, I know we often like to use a glowy type of look. So I like to do my eyebrows kind of like light, but a little feathery as well, but I like for them to look sculpted and put together. So what I'm going to be using is this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and it's basically like a $2 eyebrow pencil, and it works perfectly fine for me. This is a fresh one, so it looks really sharp and good. I definitely want to record a eyebrow tutorial. My mom, she's always asking me to show her how to do brows, so I said I was going to record a video for it, so that should be coming out soon. But you'll see how I kind of do it here. I go ahead and fill them in, and I don't get my eyebrows like waxed or threaded or anything like that, so they all natural. And honestly, I feel like they've grown a lot because I don't bother them and they just are allowed to do their own thing. So there's a brow. Should I zoom y'all in a little bit more? I feel like I should. I just like to use this concealer brush to go ahead and put it on. Oh my gosh, my son just literally disappeared. Excuse me. See, this is what happens when you use natural light. But yeah, as I was saying, sometimes I actually use the tip and I just go like this and that's it. But today I am going to be using the brush to make sure that it's actually precise. Hello?
Assalamualaikum.
My dad. Oh goodness. We have our brows on, and the next thing that I'm gonna do is use a brow pomade. So I have the Wow Brow by e.l.f. Literally e.l.f. is my brow go-to because I don't know, they just have good brow products to me. And then I also have the Merit Beauty Brow 1980 pomade as well, and I actually really like this. So I sometimes use these two in conjunction. The Wow Brow allows your eyebrows to become more filled in, I feel like, and it kind of makes it a little flurry, if that makes sense, or like fluffy looking. So let's go ahead and add a little bit on. It like makes your eyebrows look like hair, which I really like. Or our brows are meant to be cousins, not sisters. I don't know, my brows don't always look the same, so one side will look one type of way and the other side will look another type of way, and that's cool as long as they are generally the same kind of style. So I want to thank Merit Beauty for sending over their products. They sent me their whole line and I honestly really love it. I love the concept of their brand because it is a all clean beauty with like natural ingredient focus. They have products that are good for our bodies, and y'all know I preach that all the time when I'm doing my DIYs or even just simply in the products that I use from buying it from somewhere. They have a line of I believe 7 products, and they're all just a simplistic way of doing your makeup. So I would say that Merit is definitely a natural, luxurious type of brand, whereas maybe Glossier will be a natural, girly type of brand. And I love the minimalistic, less is more idea that they are portraying and that they're going for. So thank you so much to Merit Beauty for sending over your products. I really love them. And I need to show y'all, they sent over this cute bag and I'm obsessed with it. Let me get it. This is the cute little travel bag that they give with the first order that you make from them, and it's so cute. It's a washable, reusable bag, so they are like focused on sustainability and I freaking love it. So here for it. I just keep my makeup in here when I'm traveling, so it's been very useful. So let's just go ahead and pop on this brow pomade. I like to use this brow pomade when I want my brows to stay in place, because when I use this it does not budge. Let me go ahead and move in for y'all so y'all can see a little better. So I would say that the Wild Brow from e.l.f. gives your brows a nice fluff. However, they don't really, it doesn't keep your brows in place, whereas this brow pomade keeps your brow in place. So it's a little more expensive, but I feel like it's worth it because your brows don't really move all around everywhere. So this is what it looks like. I feel like my brows are looking really straight today, and I don't know why. I like for a little arch. So I'm gonna fix that and I'll be right back to y'all. Okay, so let's go into the next product, and we are going to be using Merit Beauty's blush, and this is their cheek color is what they call it, and it is in the shade Mood, and this is the color of it, a nice deep berry color. And I feel like for us dark skinned girls, this is like the perfect color and I love it. I actually saw Aisha Haroon mention this in one of her recent videos, and she's a little bit lighter than me, but it looks amazing on her as well. So this is definitely a good color to go with. So let's just pop a little bit on. As you can see, it smooths on so nicely. Let's look at that. Yes, I like to pop my blush upwards so that it's kind of like making my cheeks look, or my face look like it's going upwards. And then I put this on before I put on any powder or any concealer, and then if I feel like I need a little bit more color, I'll go ahead and throw it on after I do the powder and concealer. So you're able to use your fingers to blend it in, and you can also use a brush, but if you use a brush it'll kind of take the product away because the brush will like soak it up. But y'all, look at this. I think the way Aisha explained it is that like it makes you look like you're, I can't remember what she said, but it's something weird. Like it makes you look burnt, but like a good kind of burnt. I thought that was really funny, but I think it looks so pretty, like so pretty. I like to bring it up a little bit as well, and then put a little bit right here on my nose too. So this I kind of got a little bit too much, but that's okay because I'll be using powder in a few, so it'll be fine. But this, I feel like this side has like the perfect amount of product. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer and just pop it in right under our eyes. I've been seeing like the trend, I kind of messed it up over here, but seeing like the trend of doing a little bit right here and then doing some right here and lifting it up. Have you guys tried that? Like, do you feel like it lifts your face up? I don't know if I've been doing it properly or not, but I honestly really don't see much of a difference, to be quite honest, but we'll do it. Why not? Let's see. So as you can see, I went ahead and pulled the concealer like all the way up here so that it can kind of like lift our eyes up. Instead of our eyes looking droopy, they're supposed to look kind of like lifted Let me know in the comments down below if you feel like they look lifted or not. After I go ahead and do the concealer, I pop on some powder. I still use the True Match powder by L'Oreal, and I feel like it works perfectly. I've had this for a really long time though, and I probably should buy another one because it's kind of old. But as you can see, I hit pan on it because I really like it. But so my eyes, as you can see, I have creases, so it'll crease pretty easily if I don't put on powder. Either way it creases, but powder makes it a better situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some right under here. Boom. And then pop some right in here. Not far, y'all. I think I'm too far. I don't put anything on my forehead or down here, but if you would like to, you can. I say definitely use some concealer to pop it in right here, down the bridge of your nose, right here, and then you might want to put a little bit on your forehead if you feel like you need more coverage. And if you have any like breakouts, like I have some breakouts on my forehead, so if you have like a dark mark that you want to cover, I say go ahead with your concealer and just cover that one little spot. Like you don't have to put foundation on every day to cover any dark marks you might have. That's what concealer is for. Or you can use one of the like orange corrector ones and then put this on top if you feel like you need it to be a little bit more extra duty. However, you don't really need to put on foundation every day, but if that is your cup of tea, you can definitely put on like a tinted moisturizer or just a light foundation, like maybe like the Maybelline Fit Me, the dewy one. I love that one. So if you do like foundation or skin tints and stuff like that, you can also use that as well. But for me personally, I do this look when I'm on my way to work in the morning and I'm like always late, so I need something that's really quick. Obviously in this video it's not seeming like it's that quick just because I'm talking to y'all, but this is honestly a very quick look to do. It probably take less than 10 minutes for you to do. So this is what we are looking like right now. It's very simple and minimalistic. So let's just go ahead and jump into our eyelashes. What I like to use is this Damn Girl mascara, and this is the mini version, and this is by Too Faced if I'm not mistaken. And I like this because it gives your lashes a nice voluminous look. So yeah, I don't, as you can see, like I don't really have like really thick lashes or like long lashes, so this adds a nice little something to it. See, look what that did for us. So here for it. Like, look at the difference. Come on, sis, come on. I like their other mascara too. It's called Better Than Sex, and I think that one is a good mascara as well, but this one is my favorite for sure. Whenever this is done, I'll definitely get the bigger version of it. Put on 2 coats if you want something a little bit more dramatic. But as you can see, this makes your lashes look very full. So if you already have long lashes, I think that this will be great for like a faux lash type of look, because it'll make it look a very I can't say the word. I'll pop it up on the screen. Okay, so we are done with our lashes. We did our concealer, our powder, our blush, and our eyebrows. So the last thing that we have to do are our lips. So this product is also from Merit Beauty. Honestly, y'all, they have really good stuff, and I'm so here for the naturalness, the clean beauty aspect of it all. So what I wanted to show y'all was these cute little lip oils. Like, look at their packaging. Like, this is unmatched. I love it. It's so like luxurious looking, and I love that so much. Personally, for the summertime, this one in Marrakesh might be the best, but this color is so beautiful. This is a Sangria, I believe it's called, and let's just go ahead and pop both of them on. So you can honestly use a lip liner if you want, or you can just pop them on. I guess I'll throw on a lip liner and have y'all see what it looks like with it on. Okay, we just got on something real light, just a brown pencil from the dollar store, so you don't need nothing too crazy. So let's go ahead and throw these lip oils on. I honestly love them, and I want to get every color in them. They're honestly gonna start to be a staple in my routines, but let's pop this on. Look at how smoothly this goes on. If you saw my Instagram the other day, I had mentioned that in my Instagram story. It's just so smooth, and it gives you nice color payoff as well. So there we are with this one, and honestly this would be the finished look. Like, this is it. That's all we need for the summer. Go ahead and throw on your brows. You might not even need to do all I did for brows. You can literally just use one of your pomades, pop it on, and call it a day for real for your brows. Throw on some mascara, put on a little bit of concealer, some blush if you want a little bit of color, and then put on some lip gloss, and you really out the door in a few minutes. And I feel like for the summertime, this is great because I get back into the groove of things, you know, and summertime things gonna be open. So we trying to get out of here. We've been in the house for a year. We trying to get outside. So this honestly will get you outside real quick. That's why I love it. And it looks like you kind of done up, you know, like it looks cute. I love it. It looks cute. So this is this lippy, and let me go ahead and throw in the other lippy real quick so y'all can see what it looks like. All right, so this is the other color in Sangria, and this is what it looks like. If you want something to pop out a little bit more, give you a little red moment, then you can go ahead for something that's like this color. All right, y'all, so if y'all would like to check out Mirror Beauty, be sure to click the link down below in my description box. And yeah, like, I honestly really do like their products. This video was not sponsored. It may seem like it was because I was raving real hard. This video was not sponsored. The items were just gifted to me, and I really do love them, so definitely check them out. So thank you so much for watching, y'all. I appreciate y'all so much, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Subscribe down below if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.